Today we are in Southeast Ajax, and this is a brand new kind of community that's still kind of under construction. That's how new it is. So you walk in, you still have that brand new kind of smell. It's about a year and a bit old, the home. It is 4 bedrooms, 3 bath, well, 2.5 bath. But yeah, it's nicely renovated, pot lights bright. I'm very excited to show you this. So let's turn the camera around and we'll get started. So yeah, this is outside. It's a very modern type style. It kind of matches. It's an absolutely beautiful day today. So you have room for 1 spot on the driveway and then 1 spot in the garage as well. And yeah, so it's an open house here today. Listing agent is Sirwat Ahmed. So I'm figured to do a video here, post it, so you guys have a tour of what a newer townhome within the southeast community of Ajax would look like. And then it's right across the street from open field. So still waiting to see what that's going to be, but it's going to be probably a proposed park or something along those lines, but we'll have to wait and see. And so we will just come up, all the window coverings from the outside, and then the garage, it's a modern style with the 2-slot window on it. Same steps. And let's go in. Welcome inside 90 Lenny Street, located within the Southeast Ajax community. I can't wait to get this tour started on the inside. So let's turn the camera on and we'll do that right now. It's a 4-bedroom home that is just over a year old. So tons of potential on that side. And let's get started right now. Okay, so here is the front entrance. When you walk in, you have a powder room to your immediate right. And you have a 2-piece here with a big window. Good thing there's a curtain on there, and it's been on the other side. It's been like the glass has been covered a little bit, so even if this was up, nobody can see in. Don't want anybody to see in when you're going to the bathroom, so it's good that's done. And then you have a closet here as well for jackets and shoes. It's a great size closet. And then you have these are an upgraded tile because they're extra wide. It's like a double width, and then it's probably like a 24 by 12 inch tile. And then it meets into the hardwood. It's a little bit wider of a hardwood, so that's an upgraded floor as well. And yeah, you got the stairs going up and down. And this would be like the living room, dining room type setup. You have electric fireplace, and then great big windows here towards the whole back of the house. And yeah, good sized backyard. So this is the kitchen, and you have the undermount sink, stainless steel appliances, and then it is upgraded cabinetry as well. You'll notice that there is the porcelain backsplash, which is always extra when you're dealing with builders. They are not always the most affordable to do, so the fact that that's done is really good. You do have the fan here that is vented outside. So any cooking that you're doing, it will vent it out. So within a couple hours of whatever you are cooking, it is gone. So yeah, that's the kitchen. Let's continue on. And then you do have the garage entrance, which is important because people want to be able to get in and out of the garage without going outside. So it's a single car, so you can fit 1 car in here. And then because of that little jut out there, you could actually have a little bit of storage along the side as well. And we can go into the basement, show you the mechanicals. So you go left, and then you have just a little open area, could be good storage. And you have electrical panel. So it's a 100 amp panel. You can tell because it says 100 there. If it was 200, it would say 200, but there's still like a good amount of room. So these are open here, and then you have that open, which is more than enough because you already have air conditioning and all that fun stuff. And then yeah, so it's just wide open, unfinished basement, so you can kind of do what you want. Big window along the back. And then here you have the furnace. and then hot water tank. So it's only a year and a bit old, so you got tons of time to have to worry about like replacing that, windows, roof, everything is like really new. So yeah, and then this here is an HRV, and I've explained this in other videos, but just in case you haven't watched those videos, it circulates the air. So the air constantly, when you have this on, and there's a switch upstairs, I'll show you, that you can turn it on and it will help get fresh air from outside, inside, and takes inside air and pushes it outside. So it's great to have because you don't have to have your furnace or air conditioning on to do that. There is filters inside, so you're going to want to pay attention to that, vacuum it every once in a while. So yeah, all new homes have that because they were built so airtight that mold was forming because the air wasn't getting circulated properly. So it's a great thing that they have now, especially if you're cooking stuff with curries or fish. You put that on, by the end of the night, the smells are gone from your house. And so that's amazing. Your sink down here as well. And then furnace, that's the filter here. So make sure if you're buying a home, it's gonna have a furnace. Make sure you change the filters because some people unfortunately don't know. And I've seen it time and time again where you go and check the filter and it has so much gunk on it that there's no air being circulated at all. So they might notice that the house is cold or in the winter or super hot in the summer with air conditioning going, and it's because there's no airflow going. So that's something that you want to pay attention to. And then this here is a humidifier, which is on the furnace. So in the summer when it's hot or you're putting the heat on, it's not drying out the air because you're putting moisture into the air as well. So it's kind of a good thing to have. So you can go back upstairs. Head up. So we will continue up the stairs. You'll notice that it is a hardwood stair going all the way up. And then it has carpet. So as you're up here, just to help put things into perspective, bedroom 1, bedroom 2, bathroom, bedroom 3, primary, which would be bedroom 4, or we can start it there at bedroom 1. And then you have your laundry room. So the fact that there's a laundry up here is amazing because it actually saves you from having to trek the laundry all the way into the basement or the main floor. You can do laundry and have people come here and you won't have to worry about the laundry mess. If you have multiple kids like me, laundry messes are pretty bad. So we will start in the primary. So this is a queen size bed there, but you could easily fit a king size. And then there's a crib, so they're at the baby stages. Yeah, so it's a nice big bedroom and then overlooking the backyard. And then the other units there. And then you have stand-up shower. So this is a 3-piece. So piece 1, piece 2, piece 3. So yeah, it's a big size bathroom. And then you have the walk-in closet. This is a great size closet. His and hers, 100%. And then we will go across to the first bedroom. So it's a decent size. They just have a setup with a desk and stuff. The good thing is all of the window coverings have been done already. And then it's the frames have been painted. It's like this grayish beige color. So that's bedroom 1. And then this is bedroom number 2. Overlooks the front. And then, yeah, you do have your big closet. Yeah, it's a double closet. And then here's the bathroom. So this is a 4-piece. So you have 1, 2, and then 3, 4. And then bedroom number 4. So this is set up with 2 single beds, and then you have a little dresser as well, along with closet. So yeah, nice size closet. So this is the second floor. go down. And this is your kind of when you're coming down in the morning, and then your front door right here. Well, that was the tour. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to like it, comment, share with all your friends. That would be greatly appreciated. This was just a little tour of a home within the Southeast Ajax community. Just to give you an idea of what it's all about, because there's tons of people that are looking to move here, and this gives you that first-hand kind of experience in terms of stepping into one of these homes. It's not very old, so it's just got a ton of potential also for the inside, for customization when it comes to like basement, everything like that. So it's a great opportunity. My name is Brad Goetz, and I'm a local realtor here in the Durham region. I've helped so many families looking to move here from all over the world, and I absolutely love that. So if you're looking for that same help, all you have to do, call, text, email, send the carrier pigeon, whatever is easiest for you. And I'm just here to make everything go so much easier. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out the other videos on my channel as well. That way you can get a better idea of what the Durham region is all about. Thanks for watching, and until next time.